paymatesoftware.com again. Okay. Customer login. Log in with your 6-digit number and password. There you see the profile screen to begin with. And here is, you might have this, Paymate Acclaim. You'll hit download. It'll take you to a second screen here. This is where the serial keys reside. Okay. So you see the maintenance here, serial key. You might have other things with employees or e-delivery and so forth. Okay. Now, if you keep scrolling to the bottom of the screen, you will see the latest update. Okay. So then you just hit download and you can download the latest. All right. From there, what happens is it will set up an executable in your downloads folder. Okay. So you'll notice here at the bottom of the screen it's running. In my case, it's going to take, in Microsoft World, it's going to take 2 seconds. Should have it done. I go show in folder. I'll try that again. Maybe I didn't click that right. There it is. This is what everybody's downloads folder probably looks like too. Let's see if I can find it correctly here. There it is. So it's going to be like pmwcanada.ext, and then you'll go through the process of loading it. Okay. Not going to take you through all the entire process here, but it's a bunch of nexts, of course. So you'll go through this entire process, okay? Now, where it will start is it'll ask you to remove, okay? So you can remove the previous one. And don't fear, it's not going to kill your data. It's just going to pull the file, the actual program, okay? And then it's just a matter of going next through the prompts, and that'll uninstall your older version of Acclaim. You rerun You'll rerun this again, pmwcan.exe, the installer, and then you will install it, okay? So you uninstall it first with the remove, and then here you can install it, okay? And then again, it's just a bunch of nexts at the bottom of the screen. Just follow through with the